Rachel, what are you doing down there?
I dropped my script and I'm picking up trash to make up for it. A lot of water. Oh, I found a bottle. Oh no. So good.
What we really do.
I got it.
Behind the scenes, walking tours 2020.
Donkey crack. I just nearly did the split. That's a weird line. I'm gonna start that over. And keep the stream bags, the stream banks, stream bags? The stream bags. The donkey engine was a machine designed to lift, drag. Where's the machine? Words are hard, guys. Yep, we're gonna start over. Donkey crack. Theme song, theme song, theme song, theme song, theme song, theme song.
I took out on the talk about the scansies. That's not this. Oh no, whoops. Today we're going to be talking about Austin Estuary Park. Why is this so hard? Why? Known, I'm going so fast. Let me pause and do that slowly. Yeah, really. I'll just down. Yeah. The Puget Sound Estuary is part of an even larger ecosystem. Yeah.
Just start dancing the next time that happens, please.
Oh, no.
Slow. Metered temperature.
Petting the tree.
Hello and welcome to the Waterfront Walking virtual tour. We didn't write that one over. One quick caveat. Even though I'm super passionate about Gig Harbor, Stina's laughing at me.
Why is that word?
Caveat?
That word's funny.
Caveat? Caveat? Caveat. Okay, caveat. Theme music, theme music, theme music, theme music. Today we're going to talk about, nope. Here we go, thank you. Why is that weird to say? Okay. Everything from using environmentally friendly building materials to green marina certification. Everything from using why is that word giving me pause? And we're gonna go back to the beginning of the Geographic. Theme music, theme music, theme. That's your favorite part.
Why did I go off script? But there we go. Okay. Cool. Forty wooden ships. Many of Mitch. Hey Mitch, you're back again, Mitchell.
Hey,
Mitch. Oh, I wish I was funny like Mitch Hedberg. The Scansy Shipbuilding Company was a boat repair business started in the early 1900s. The Scansy House is this building. Yep. This building. There's also a 3D augmentative.
Ready? No, don't do that. But if you'd like to share your storage or knowledge, your stories or knowledge, dang it. Theme music, theme music, theme music, theme.
I am particularly fond. It's near to my heart. The trick is, yep, let's start doing, pizza. And trucks just come barreling through, keeping you from pizza when you really want to eat it. Is that thing? Can you see them? And how we're all, past and present, tied to the water.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.